This year we're here at Callander for our annual tree cutting engagement event. And what this two-day event allows us to do is take a bit of a pause from the operational routine, bring the teams together and in slow time practice and demonstrate some new techniques to upskill the teams, but also to mix the teams around a bit so they get to work with other members of the wider tree cutting community.
That's another really good thing about SSE is that they run events like this. They let you make mistakes, safe mistakes, so then you can be better next time and you know how to fix it. The last few days I've done all sorts, doing things that we're trained in but we don't necessarily do all the time. So windblown trees, stored energy, tree rope felling. I've got a driving event next. Had a go in a lifeline harvester. Well, we've got vendors here, Stihl are here, Husky are here, so we can go and speak to Stihl about their equipment and things that we have. I actually raised a point to the Stihl person earlier, but he said it's going to get changed, so it's not nice to know that feedback's going back.
Plenty of enthusiastic people around, a lot of knowledgeable people as well. So we've been able to have some really good sort of in-depth conversations, which has been really, it's been good fun actually.
So we're here to showcase a new offering of arborist equipment for SSE. So ropes, harnesses, carabiners, lanyards, etc. It's been a really good day, lots of good feedback, lots of questions, lots of good conversations, lots of positive conversations as well.
Today has been really good for us. The whole event has been brilliant to get the engagement from the staff, just to take on board feedback and any improvement we can make along the way, and just to raise awareness as to the new products that are out there.
It's been really, really good this year. We were here last year and we saw a lot of people. We've actually seen double the amount this year. And I think it's been really good because people feel we are more approachable and they don't feel any anxiety towards going for a wellbeing assessment. And I think that's just a testimony to the managers within distribution and knowing that you can be proactive about your health and no hidden agendas if you go for a wellbeing assessment.
As ever, we get a lot of good feedback from these events, and I think people really do appreciate the opportunity just to take the foot off the operational rhythm and come together and in slow time go around the stands and benefit from what they see here over the 2 days.